like them niggas don't know me. Staying in the pack like them niggas been.
Hey Mel.
Yo, this guy. The motion is different.
Yeah.
Because I real life cameras.
Say hi to the vlog, dog.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. No, why you blurry? Yeah? Tanu John, Tanu Kayone, Oganya Tanu Mox.
Go there and follow Simply Just Now, you know.
Sasha. You like to subscribe, like and subscribe
to Just Warren. Oh my God, you know the vibes.
You know the vibes. Tanu Kayone.
Their vlog is gonna be.
You like stick? Tanu Kayone, Oganya Jelasai. Tanu Side. Tanu Kayone, Oganya Jelasai. Tanu Base. Ila wenza ndo ulisa.
Chansi phone zethu.
Hayi.
Ngizela ulisa bese.
Ila usenza ndo vethu. Yela vethu usenza ndo bra. Yela ayithengisa ifoni zabantu vethu. Yela bra, why you take phones abantu bra? No dog, why you taking phones abantu vethu? Uliphara o.
Guys, phone 10 rand each. Perfect condition.
Hayibo.
Perfect condition, guys.
Hayibo.
Zoinge.
What do you mean?
Like a combo.
Combo. Hey! Hey, run! That be bad girl. That be bad girl.
Mandela is bad.
I'm
looking clean right now.
looking clean.
So Mandela, this, do you know this combination? Fries and ice cream.
No, we're not doing
Bro,
that. We're not doing that.
Sorry, bro, I've already done it.
No, we are not doing that. We haven't done it.
Is it? Is it?
Oh, no, please don't do that.
Don't you want up videos on Nandadra?
No, actually, that's a great house. Can you try the whole video? Make sure it was in.
Sit on that side. Bro, there's a lot of light.
Oh, coming from the right.
Oh.
Never mind. Must hear the camera.
Yeah, it's you, but we can just use it.
Silence for a while. You need to hurry up though.
Oh, yeah, man, correct.
You're hurrying up so that you can both go home now.
I need a bit. I need to buy some anyway. So like, how many girlfriends do you have, guys?
0, because I don't participate in those current situations, whatever. I don't. I know more dogs.
What?
I mean, they're not weird. They're going to take fries with the ice cream.
That's normal. It is. Hey, psychopath.
Yeah. You know, man. about when the women are in this body, you know? I book. Don't lie, you know, chicken, whatever. That seems to be expensive, bro.
Because I like to combine everything in one, you know, so that I can get different flavors. So that I can get different flavors in my mouth. Look at mine, it's so pretty.
Pretty don't mean fake.
This is so pretty.
Bro, an animal. What's an animal?
Now it's really animal. We are both animals. Animals are animals.
Very good plan. Homosphere. Yes. Now, that's a dead.
Can I answer a question?
Yeah.
Like, very good question. What would you do if dinosaurs came back to life?
The first thing you do is ride one. Then post it on my YouTube channel. You ride later today, you're gonna see me posting. You're gonna see me riding a dinosaur. You're gonna see me riding a dinosaur. That's the filter. Space the filter. Your episode.
Android. Don't need on Apple. On Android, not Apple.
Apple is fun. Apple phone is so insane. Yeah. Yeah. The fridge. Yeah. What hot? What too hot? Did you buy spicy? What? No.
You know, the spice.
No.
I'm going, I mean,
Don't worry, buddy. When I ask you a question, I'm good. And also what happened? I know you knew this was coming. What happened? I don't want to mention names. It's you and your husband. By the way, she said she has a husband. Like 30 seconds later. Before this video, she said she has a husband. I probably have it on camera now.
Up here.
I probably have
Up here.
Yes, up here. Yeah. You two said it was your husband. And then I remember you said so.
My
You said it was your husband. I
I'm a good cat.
Not a cab. You said cab.
Up here.
I said yes, up here.
Okay.
Mm.
You've been away from me as long as I enjoyed you.
Yeah.
You make me life. End of story.
You don't know nothing. I know nothing.
Yes.
I know nothing.
I need to this enough so you about your stars are learning on the internet.
I'll handle it tomorrow. That's my baby girl.
Might be going to become a baby girl Denver sometimes. That is what.
I thought you said he has nice eyebrows.
Lashes.
Lashes,
like when you do shit, after you do shit.
You mean you've done shit? Yeah.
So I'm to this what happened then. Yeah, I wasn't looking at me.
You can talk. Let me tell you something about permission. Before. What you're saying right now. Not that we need the permission or whatever. I'm just saying.
It's because I didn't show anything.
What happened? What really happened?
So what happened is nothing.
What's your side of the story?
This man gave me a job. Not enough of my issues. What's wrong after the page? Don't you go? I know, but
Bro, you're so like, yeah, bro, something. So that's why you forget fried your ice cream because you're looking at the ice cream.
okay. I said the gun. Let's just go to the guy. Let's spend about that.
We can call the other one.
You're telling us wrong about right?
This white neighborhood and black neighborhood.
Take a joke, I'll go ahead and grab your floor. Okay, fine. So, like, Yabona was downhill and uphill went on holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah, before holiday, there was also like Inga. You were there when Inga was there.
Which Kinga is that? Okay.
So,
No, what Kinga is that? I don't know. I know nothing right now. What happened? Yo, mine's the chat. Yo, we're not speaking. Okay.
what do you know I can say about? So, like, basically, like, Yabona was in my car and the whole network is back into the time. I was posting.
This is the same person that was on my live. On my live.
No, I was on my live when I went to Joburg. Before then, I went to my car.
Okay.
So you understand when he's back to the what? So yeah, I can see something more.
Okay.
Then on this banner, I was came up, and to the back, yeah, all the niggas in the comb, the guy has my team. So when they're running.
And then what happened?
And that's part of the night.
So you might basically. You ghosted.
No, I didn't.
You ghosted.
I did not ghost them.
You ghosted.
That's the design. The weekend is no, but if you like them text it, and then like find out what is no longer the same chapter.
But now no.
No,
You don't confirm the bro. Jama confirm for me. And you had a thing with who? King of who? So why? So you're closing a book, don't lie. You said you're closing a book, meaning that you're ending the relationship. Balloon, who you confirm it. Wow. Start sitting at the guys, that's why I'm big balls alone. Yeah. Toxic.
What is love, guys? What is love?
Yeah, it's better probably comments about what is love. Also,
Because we have used the word love. Where's Kim like? Abuse the word love.
I only love one person in my whole life. Dwayne The Rock Johnson. I'm joking. I love my mom, and shout out to my mom, my father, my dad, my parents.
Me too, bro. I love my parents.
Yeah, joking. I'm not
But sometimes, yo, it's very nothing, and you have constantly the time. It's very awkward, man. But it's like, I was tired. Because this bad really, my mom is in the call, but they're trying to call man. They're trying to call man.
Real. I'm joking. I tell my parents every day that I love them.
I don't.
That's
Especially
really
that
never
time,
told me.
bruh.
I realize like that.
Uma coisa que ela react, ela diz, okay, eu só react, I'm cool.
I think right now we should head to the basketball court. Yeah. Or what?
I'm going to basketball.
You don't want to go to the basketball court? Because I don't want to go to there. If I go there, I'll get caught up.
Entrance fee,
You see that?
no, you don't know.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Then we go into Dale. Yeah. We'll get into the other things in another.
Just manage to find shit. A designer today, box and then don't even know homes, let them go out.
And I'm done with girls. Girls are weird.
I don't know, I'm done with the thing called love, relationship and stuff. Because it's only about, I suck at it. I suck. Yeah, and yeah, but stuck in between, but okay, I'm trying to look. But same time, I'm
So you're telling me that you get stuck in between having a person and wanting a person
to be gone.
Yeah.
I'm not just husband. I'm a problem. So I'm like when you go to bed and stress with my
Just now.
I so fucked up with that.
You gave them a choice.
I gave him a choice.
Whether to stay or
I said, if you don't change, I'm gonna match. I was like, match.
You know that when we say that as dudes, we never mean it.
Actually, I gave him a choice. I was like, match.
You told him to match.
He said that if I don't change, he's gonna match.
Yeah.
I said match.
You told him to match. Yeah.
Because like nothing to you, like, go.
Why don't you try to change his own thing? Actually, why get into a relationship when you don't want one? Not wait for it when you don't want it.
Guys don't like it. In like the first problem, remember?
Same class. So that was the first.
Does that mean clear love? But yeah,
You couldn't get used to it.
this is gonna be so different.
So what?
And yeah,
So girl, when you hear the phrase that it goes too much, y'all are close too much. Every day you see this person. Monday to Saturday you
I
see
said
this
I'm
person.
going now.
Then you speak to him. So you didn't speak to him because you saw him every day.
Not that I don't every day. So then it's okay like about dating in school. Like, I have friends. They are both in school. They are both. So basically, getting in school is not something that you should normalize.
So dating in school is not something you also normalize.
Yeah, guys never normalize it in school.
Don't do it.
Homework.
Homework. Pasa nini? Pasa nini? Yo, all in the schools, man. What's number one in my top 5?
No, it's the top 10.
Real. I was number 6 in the list. I promise you I was number 6 in the list.
So top.
You think number 6 of this team, dog?
Yeah.
Not them, number 6. It's just that one, and they calculated the top 5. What's up there?
Yeah, to get away, run now. What are the top 10? Top 5. Super hard. That's why how many hours? That's go. What is boy? Go.
Don't move. Lucky you.
What? You mean nothing and lose guys everything well and don't car like this is stop.
You are team you.
Ako man one big kaya after school at pa naman 3 5 missed calls were done.
What did Mr. Chris say?
And then go again let me look like nice.
That's
Go
why.
oh yeah wise yeah.
Yani were acting weird that he what the hell is he?
And a car That's been a good time.
Yeah, I should have been missing of the serious panic attacks. Bro, in the last year, when we got out of school, things were bad.
That's what I'm doing.
Because
That's the fun of la especially baby.
but the only I think
Dala man, so find it cool because put him on my bed person he hate.
we hate and go to just need it.
Bad up about when you speak the truth we hate.
If you are Zamu, you will agree that I look good in every uniform that
There's us go play yours and us fake. Yours can be fake. Yours can be fake.
No, yours cannot be fake. But my
But I don't want to know no comment kula YouTube channel kanazika because kaloko
we hate them. We are setting up. We are
Chanda what
I think it's leave now.
I think to do right, and different toxicity. I think toxicity is something that's just in like. Can be trap of pops right now. And they do something.
You're dead. Who's the toxic?
Woo!
Wait, Chris. Let it
I like
Chris
that. I like that. Holy shit.
And then you're by 7 now.
By 7, then? So by 8.
Oh, you don't know.
I'm becoming hidden siblings.
Yeah. Let me not. When you need to move, people are waiting. And time is running now.
I got to someone else think about the time.
Can you say? So, closing a book was the best decision.
Yeah,
Decision you made. Are you sure? Are you really sure of it? Like really sure of it? So ngiyabanza ibetha kanjani but akwenza icebo la ke basenza shit ecapela le Tara ko jawa ping go around that Eastern Cape, boy. Do you know how big Eastern Cape is?
I can imagine he's normally in this land. So I can't use long part to say Eastern Cape. I just know about it.
Thank you, Eastern Cape, boy. There is EPE. This is East London.
I just know about
Normally he's in East London. Has he like take a off?
once.
Why would he come here for the second time?
Because of the way
So he would drive from East London to come pick you up. Pick you up from there too.
There was a time we were going to the structures.
Why you overprotective with time I walk on bed? No shit. No, he doesn't trust. He doesn't trust you. Doesn't trust you, kid. Yeah. Damn.
Sorry guys.
Bro, brother, mucha ni natata nomnana. Mucha ni natata nomnana. Aba real. Ila pass ngena up fit. I was gonna dab you up ngoku but nah, this should be a dab streak. Yeah. Better drip. No that bro. Oh my telling yeah, bro. Oh my telling yeah, bro. By the way, yeah. Oh, Nyanzi. Yeah, real. You know it, Charlie. For your vlog. Tiwang man, Charlie, no worries.
Oh, no, I am.
Yeah.
Boy, John, Tiwang, Mel.
Millennial.
Sipholile apha. Angumbase background. Kabulise funi.
Bulisa mbasa ngithi.
Thiwa ngubani? Thiwa nguMax.
Hi guys.
So good vlog.
Yeah.
Man, Jonga.
Siyamthanda umbasa.
Samthanda umbazi. Uvile mos. Max.
You say fuck crane, you fruit in a way. You say fuck crane. Fucking along.
I've been with the OGs.
Fucking along.
Gotta act like them niggas don't know me. Staying in the pack like them niggas been smoking.
Yeah, I think you
Nobody judge if you think you the only. I don't need a reason. I know you don't like me. Tell me if you trust it. Tell me if you trust it.
By the way, guys, I don't need no Yeah, boy. Here, let's see the best I see. It's a big one. And too big.
You're saying that you don't do big. Talking almost even in your bed.
LITE subscribe, my brother. Don't